This is unofficially my first stream. I did a stream yesterday, but everything got f***ed up. And this is kind of just a test stream. I think everything is going to get f***ed up right now. What we're going to do is make another pop beat, Ariana Grande type beat. And I'm talking to myself right now. If you're on YouTube and you're watching this, please follow me on Twitch. Talking to yourself can be good sometimes, but not like this. At Deviant Life on Twitch, come check me out. I don't have a schedule on yet. We'll figure that out as time goes. Let's get into it, I guess. Pick something. I don't know what I'm gonna do or what I'm gonna work in. I know I want to start with a chord progression. All right, that'll work. All right, so what are we gonna do? Where are we gonna work? E flat minor. No, E flat major. And that would be... That's E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, C, D, E flat. That's our scale. Let's try like something 251. Huh? 3 in the major scale is a minor chord, so, and then a 7 diminished, 6 major, 6 minor. That would be G, G minor up to D diminished, down to C minor, and then go maybe 251. Still just talking to myself, so I'm gonna go slow and just kind of figure this shit out. Ain't nobody in this chat. Well, it shows one user in this chat, but they've been there since the stream yesterday, so I have a feeling it's like a bot or some shit. Oh, fucking no. So what would be the 251 for this 3? Huh? That would be... So that would be the 5, actually. Doesn't sound too great, though, does it? So we got a 3, 7, 6, 5, and then a 251 of this 3 right here, which is the 2 would be this. Yeah, maybe that 9th chord actually. So this is a 3 minor 9. Which is a G minor 9, up to a D diminished because it's the 7, a major scale, and then the 6, which is a minor, a C minor, and then down to the 5, which is a major, and then a 251 of this 3, and then this is the 5. I don't know if that's gonna work, but we're gonna try it. Tempo is gonna be 165. What was the chord progression I said? It was gonna be a 3 minor 9 to a 7 diminished to a 6 minor 7th to a 5 major, maybe a 5 major 7 or something, and then a 251 turnaround. Yeah, I keep fucking up scene changes. This is my second stream. Chill the fuck out. Again, I'm talking to myself. I ain't talking to nobody, so this is weird as f. But it's going on YouTube. That's all that matters. That might work. I added a 4 in there somewhere, so we did before the 251 turnaround. I did a 4 major as well. So we're gonna record these in one at a time. Tempo's 165. We're in the key of E flat major, making an Ariana Grande type beat. The last chord now is going to be the 5 of the G, which is this right here. D, major 7. D dominant 7, my bad, D dominant 7. That's what it is. There's our chord progression, I think. There's some delay up in here. It's a Native Instruments delay. Quarter note. Quarter dotted. Less feedback, less mix. Give it a little bounce, right? Vintage. I like this crunch. Maybe phase the delay too. about a filter? Maybe a filter instead. That'll work for now. Let's layer that with something. Maybe an electric piano or something. One more chord. Still nobody in the chat. It's all good. It's going on YouTube. I don't like the patch. Maybe transpose this a little bit. That's not bad. What else can we put up in this? Maybe a synth pad just to kind of round out the sound a little bit. This doesn't sound too bad. What's that? Eternity from Ethereal Earth. Native Instruments. I'm just gonna copy this over to save some time. Nope, that ain't gonna work. Something was wrong there. Patch sucks. This is Analog Dreams. It's called Floyd. If anybody knows how to transpose shit up and down an octave in Maschine without having to press keys 12 times, let me know. I don't mind. It's kind of subtle. This one was a hybrid keys patch called Dark Tremors. And then we had Bedtime from Hybrid Keys as well. Now what are we gonna do? Maybe a little melody line. I'm gonna really need something to make this work better. This is ass. That's what we do. I don't know what the fuck this is. That might be alright. One more note. I don't mind that. That was the first patch I chose. It was an Ethereal Earth patch called Air Vibrations. Turn the cutoff down a bit. I like that. What's next? Drum time? If y'all haven't noticed, I make beats really slow. YouTube, you're probably gonna see an edited version of this, but all of the 0 people out there watching on Twitch right now, I know it's kind of slow, but this is how I go. Whatever. What's the rush? Fuck. I'm trying, y'all. I'm trying. This just ain't happening like I want it to. There we go. Oh, y'all can't even see the words. That sucks. I'm going with a Murder Beats kit that I made from the Splice sounds. Don't mind this. That clap's gotta be shorter though. So I'm gonna take it off of one shot, put it onto AHD. There's the tack hold decay. Turn down the decay and the hold. Turning the tune down on the kick. It's about -3. Quantize and shift. That needs to be quantized and shifted, of course. Ooh, that one was nasty. That ain't right. That should be better. Yup. Nope. Shorten this one too. Tuned it down, shortened it a bit. Let's use that as a snare. Filter that, there's too much high. Just using the internal filter. Low pass filter at about 1000 hertz. A little bit of resonance. Yeah. Turn it down a bit in the mix. We need another hi-hat. That's better. 808s. It's more of a modern 808, right? This is from Decap's drum kit. Shout out Decap. Yo, if you follow Decap on Twitch, you might as well follow me on Twitch too, at Deviant Life. Holla at me. And it's in C. Decap, thank you for making your 808s in C. Saves me a step. We're in E flat though, right? I'm gonna use the keyboard for this instead. Swear to God, I'm gonna break some shit in here. 1 to the 7 to the 6 to the 5 to the 4, and then a 2-5-1 turnaround of the 3. Sorry, it doesn't go from the 1. It goes from the 3, 7, 6, 5, 4, and then a 2-5-1 of the 3, where the 1 is the 3, and the 2 is of the 1, but the 5 is of the 3. Or something. The 2 and the 5 are of the 3? Huh? I don't know. Go learn harmony. I know how I want the beginning and the end to be, but middle fucking notes, man. Maybe something like that. That middle part right there, man, I don't know what to do there. No. That might work. Let's put a little swing on the beat, maybe like 5%. what y'all think? That sounds like an Ariana Grande type beat, right? All right. Well, again, I'm not talking to anybody because nobody's in the chat. So, yeah, I'm going to leave it at that for now. I'm going to be back later on tonight and I'll finish the beat off. Maybe arrange it, maybe add some other to it, maybe start a new beat. I don't know. But yeah, cool. Peace. I'm out for now. Give me like 2 hours, maybe. Something like that. Again, who the fuck am I talking to? Ain't nobody on here.